Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review, and today we're looking at the 3 Oaks Mountaineer knife. I really like this knife. I thought about maybe keeping it on my keychain right back here with this lanyard hole, but I don't know. I like the one I got on there, but this thing is actually super sharp, so I wanted to jump down real quick, do a review on it. Nice wood handle. Now, it's a simple knife right here. No dual thumb stud, single thumb stud, but it opens up smooth, guys. Standard drop point blade on here. Let's see if I can get a better close. Why is my camera not focusing out? Oh, guys, I don't know what's up with my camera today. But as you can see, well, maybe you can't see if it's not too blurry. But nice 3 Oaks logo right there in the wood. Got your simple liner lock right there. Guys, just a real simple EDC knife. And like I said, you could use this thing on a keychain. So if you're looking for a cool, just simple opening knife right there, this might be the way to go. No belt clip or anything like that. Single hand deployment, not bad. Single hand close, no problem at all right there. The liner lock on this thing is really smooth, and I like that aspect of it. Nice little wood grain right there. But guys, that's it. Just a simple review of the 3 Oaks Mountaineer. If you want to go check it out, I'll leave a link to the Amazon description below, and I will see y'all in the next one.